Ka-chow!
It is easiest to perform this job when the washer bottle is empty. If it is not empty, expect to make a mess and empty it out when you can. BMW recommends that you only use their fluid, otherwise the washer pump can become clogged. The fastest way to confirm your washer pump is bad is to have one person near the front passenger wheel who can listen for the washer pump, and have one person with the key on, engine off, activate the windshield washers. If you don't hear any noise from the washer pump, it's likely you have a bad pump or electrical issue. Start by removing the front passenger wheel so you can have access to the wheel well. You need to push the center of these pins in so that they release. You will likely lose the middle pieces inside the fender liner, so either plan to replace them or look for them once the fender liner is off. You need to remove the left side of the fender liner. In order to do this, you're going to remove the 10mm plastic nuts, the 8mm metal bolts, and the one T25 bolt from underneath.
One's a T25. So taking these three off as well. This one, and this one.
Then remove the left side fender liner and you'll be able to see the washer bottle.
These are the little push buttons for these guys. There's 110 up there. And then we're gonna take that off. Okay, so this is just a plastic push button. And then you pull this towards you and it comes out of that little square. Now we have some extra wiggle room. So we just wiggle this off and then feed the hose. You don't have to take any of this off, you just feed the hose through the hole. And then the bottle's gonna start coming down. This would be easier if the bottle wasn't 100% full.
This washer bottle was 100% full, which was a hassle. Disconnect all the electrical, and if your bottle is full, realize that when you go to pull the hoses from the washer pump, that you should have a catch pan ready or expect to make a mess. You need to release the hose to the washer pump. Just be gentle because it's a plastic. I highly recommend that you just take the whole bottle out at this point and drain any fluid.
Quick story, I had originally tried to save the fluid that was in this washer pump, but I had special ordered a brand new washer pump, and the part where the hose connects to the nipple, someone had shaved down the sides, so it was leaking. At this point, I just gave up. I ended up going to get a new washer pump and just dumping out the fluid, and that is why the rest of this video is filmed in the dark.
Okay, then this slides back in first. Get that one started there, yep. And then we kind of hinge the whole thing up, and I'm gonna need two hands to get the pipe back through. You know what? You want to make sure that you start all of these before tightening anybody down so that everything fits in.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.